In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text background color in Card. First, open your browser and head to card.co. This is where you create and edit your one-page sites. On the home page, look for the option to open your dashboard. Click that to see your list of sites and drafts. From there, select the project you want to work on so the editor opens. Inside the editor, click the text block that contains the words you want to highlight. You'll see the text cursor appear, which means you're ready to edit. Move the cursor to the very start of the word or phrase you want to add a background color to. Now type two equal signs right before the text. Then place your cursor at the very end of that same word or phrase and type two equal signs again. In other words, you're wrapping the text with a pair of double equals at the beginning and a pair at the end. Keep the equal signs directly touching the text with no spaces for the highlight to work cleanly. If you want punctuation included in the highlight, put the equal signs outside the punctuation. After you've added the double equals on both sides, Card will interpret that as highlighted text. If you're happy with the default highlight style, you can stop here. If you want to adjust the color or appearance, open the Settings panel in the editor. Look for the Styles section. This is where site-wide visual settings live. Note that Styles is a pro feature. If you see it locked, that just means customization of the highlight's look is unavailable on your current plan. You can still use the highlight markup, but the color and style will follow the default for your theme. If Styles is available, open it and find the text. Highlight controls. Here you can set the background color, tweak contrast, and ensure the highlighted text remains readable. Aim for a color that complements your site's palette and maintains sufficient contrast with the text color. Subtle shades often look cleaner than very saturated blocks, especially for longer phrases. When you're done, click Done to apply your changes and return to the editor. Give your page a quick preview to confirm the highlight looks right across devices and adjust spacing or line breaks if needed. That's it. Wrap the text with double equals to add the highlight, and refine the style and settings if you have access. Thanks for watching, and enjoy polishing your Card site with clear, eye-catching text highlights.